Welcome to my channel Kids Educational Learning. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Eat English with your kids.
Let's start. Drink water. Drink water. Open the door. Open the door. Close the laptop. Close the laptop. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Hang your clothes. Hang your clothes. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. Do not touch the stove. Do not touch the stove. Don't run down the stairs. Don't run down the stairs. Turn on the TV. Turn on the TV. Turn off the TV. Turn off the TV. Do not touch electric appliances. Do not touch electric appliances. Wake up. It's morning. Wake up. It's morning. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Eat veggies. Eat veggies. Flush the toilet. Flush the toilet. Some candies for you. Some candies for you. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes.
Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe for more learning videos.